Today is a special day. I brought my parents to the Nalie Lounge for their very first session of PEMF. This is the very room that Nalie would get her sessions, and in honor of her 2-year anniversary of transition, I wanted to bring my parents to the place where Nalie's energy is still in full effect. PEMF stands for Pulse Electromagnetic Field Therapy. This technology supports the regeneration of various cellular systems in your body. It could be used as a preventative tool to manage different health conditions. This is Prof Toy. He's the mastermind behind some of the best PEMF protocols. Today he'll be using what we call a PEMF sandwich for my parents, and today's session is focused on various conditions like arthritis, spasms, post-operation recovery, and other things that my parents have been dealing with in recent years. But the main goal is preventative. Their quality of life is most important at this point in their life. They're over 65. The cool thing about this is you don't feel anything until you hold that little magnet.
Oh yeah, oh boy, it's like pulsating.
It's pain-free, there are no side effects, and you just lay down there and let the machine do its job. Every session is custom to each individual. It's about an hour long. You can do as you wish. You can listen to music, read a book, but I suggest you take that opportunity to meditate or take a little nap, whichever. You can get a free trial session today. Check the description in my video for more information.